There are a lot of Subway series builds, but Subway has actually put together collections of them that make them a lot easier to remember. So with that in mind, let's look at the Italianos. There's the Supreme Meats and Bella Matta, which should look familiar to you. The Matta meat from Window 2 is now the Bella Matta and here to stay. And then there's the Boss, which is something to behold. So let's start off by building the Supreme Meats. This one starts off on Italian bread, just like all the Italiano builds. Then on the top half of the bread, it's 6 slices of pepperoni, followed by 6 slices of Genoa salami, 6 slices of capicola, and finally 6 slices of Black Forest ham. And don't forget to fluff the ham. Finally, on top of those proteins, it's 4 slices of provolone cheese. And this sub is not toasted, so we're gonna get right to our veggies, starting with 1.5 ounces of lettuce, tomatoes end to end, 0.5 ounces of red onions, and 6 pieces of banana peppers. Then we finish it off with 3 passes of MVP vinaigrette. And now you see why it's called the Supreme Meats. This thing is loaded and our guests will love it. So now that you've got that, let's move on to the Bella Matta. So again, these are all on Italian. Then on the top half of the bread, it's 6 slices of capicola, followed by 12 slices of Black Forest ham. And it's called the Bella Matta, so of course it's got 4 whole slices of fresh mozzarella cheese. And again, this one's not toasted, so we move right on to the veggies. Starting with 0.5 ounces of spinach, then tomatoes end to end, 0.5 ounces of red onions, 6 pieces of banana peppers, and finally 3 passes of MVP vinaigrette. And now that you're a boss at making these subs, I think it's time we build the Boss. So first note that this is on a different bread. It's on Italian urban cheese. And then on the top half of the bread, it's 6 slices of pepperoni. And here's where it starts getting really good, because then we put 8 meatballs on top of the pepperoni. And then 4 whole slices of fresh mozzarella on top of those meatballs. And this one is toasted on the setting 1 meat in Hotwell, 2 6-inch, 1 12-inch. And the final step is adding 0.1 ounce of Parmesan cheese on top of the fresh mozzarella. And that's how to build all of the Italianos. If you need some quick references on how to build these, keep in mind that the Supreme Meats is like the Italian BMT plus capicola. The Bella Matta is like a Black Forest ham sub plus capicola and fresh mozzarella. And the Boss is like a meatball marinara with pepperoni and fresh mozzarella.